Okay, this is Kevin Tube, and I'm on live right near this awesome old building. Have you ever seen anything like it? I heard it used to be a hospital back in 1990 something. I mean 1930 something. I thought most owners there didn't have much maintenance, so they closed down. And most likely that's a struggle from there. So it's pretty